Hi, this is Steve Hammer from HFT Alert, and this video describes the Delineator Journal. The Delineator is a trend prediction and measurement program that will allow you to create a framework under which to view and expect price behavior on multiple time frames. By learning how to predict the motion of the Delineator, you will learn how to predict future price direction. You will be able to measure the strength of any cycle by reviewing the average signal weight. You will learn how to set up major reversals on several time frames. Whether you are a day trader, swing trader, or managing a portfolio of stocks, you will be able to understand and anticipate when prices should rise and when they should fall. This way you can avoid buying the highs or selling into the lows. So let's look at our Delineator Journal. I write the journal to support the software users, both the Delineator software and the accumulator software. They're both two separate programs. And one thing that is very important, the accumulators and the delineators by themselves do not create buy or sell signals. They weren't designed for a monkey how to trade the stock market. They were designed for human beings, and they're measurement tools under which you can make decisions. So let's look at the Delineator Journal here. At the very top section is the secondary delineator, and let me scroll down so you see the entire frame. The secondary delineator is the daily time frame, and it identifies the main trend. When the secondary is green, we have an uptrend. We can expect higher highs and higher lows during a cycle, and range will expand. The secondary is red when we have a down cycle, and in a down cycle we can expect lower lows and lower highs and range expansion. When the secondary is blue, there is no trend, and we can expect a choppy market, more risk to trading, and range contraction. So if we look at our secondary here, we see that it's multiply green, red, and blue. When it is blue, ranges compress and trading risks rise. When it's red, ranges expand and our trading risks decrease. When it is green, ranges expand and our trading risks decrease. So you can see in this particular chart, and it is Friday, August 8th, 2014, that the secondary had been in a down cycle for 25 days. We see the price at origination, our various targets and when they were achieved. And every day I update the secondary section to show what it's done. Now if we scroll down into the primary section, and you can see we have quite a few entries. Here's our primary chart. The primary delineator identifies sub-cycles within the main trend and operates on a 30-minute time frame. When the primary is green, its direction is confirmed by the direction of the secondary delineator, and hence there is a main trend move. When the primary is red, its direction is confirmed by the direction of the secondary delineator, and hence that is also a main trend move. When the primary is gray, it is not confirmed by the direction of the secondary, and hence it is a counter trend move. For every cycle on the secondary, there are multiple cycles within the main trend on the primary. The primary is the trigger that times our entries into new cycles. Throughout the day, I'll make multiple posts of things that I believe are important for software users as well as journal readers to know about. We can see here that I've made multiple posts up through 11 o'clock. At 9:57 I identified a large algorithmic buy program. And these comments throughout the day are designed for users so that they can learn how to use their software a little better. I'll also post a closing read at the end of the day where I summarize the day and the activity of the delineator and of the accumulator. And here we see I've made multiple posts of accumulator charts. For example, here on Apple, for example, I've posted some interesting charts showing the difference between the algorithmic trading systems as well as the dark pools. In addition to the closing read, we also have a 5-minute section. And here's our 5-minute delineator, and it generates buy and sell signals. And we have a trading model that follows this. Here we see on August 5th we had a profit target achieved. On the 6th we have a profit target achieved. On the 7th and on the 8th all of our profit targets were achieved. In addition, we also have multiple accumulator charts. Here's one on Google, SPY, the VXX market pressure, which is a great indicator to use. As the demand for VXX rises, we typically get a decline in SPY. There's about a dozen of them. Here's Apple, the mouse over showing our market pressure accumulator. QQQ, Netflix, Facebook. We've got quite a few. We also have some pop-out charts. Here are some, I'll bring these in here. These are charts that show the VXX MP, the SPY MP, that stands for market pressure, the liquidity, and the algo only. These are specialized charts for people who trade either ES or SPY. We also have some 15-minute charts, and I'll bring those into view. We've got SPY, Apple, Google, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, quite a few. We have some additional links to journal archives going back all the way to 2009. So that's the basic tutorial for the Delineator Journal.